Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Indian-style fried rice. First, gather your ingredients, including cooked rice, your favorite vegetables, and a selection of aromatic Indian spices. It's crucial to use day-old, chilled rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy and ensures a perfect texture. Take time to chop all your vegetables uniformly for even cooking and a beautiful presentation. Now, let's start cooking. Heat a generous amount of oil or ghee in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your aromatics, finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Sauté these until they become fragrant, usually for about 1 minute. Next, introduce your chopped vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. It's time to bring everything together. Add your day-old cooked rice to the pan with the sautéed vegetables. Sprinkle in your carefully selected Indian spices, which might include turmeric powder, cumin powder, and a touch of garam masala for that authentic flavor. Stir-fry vigorously, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined and the rice is heated through, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. To finish, garnish your freshly made Indian-style fried rice with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty finish. Serve this delicious dish immediately, either as a satisfying main course or a flavorful side dish. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.